Hey, good morning, everybody. It's time for your Monday Minute. So, if you've spent some time looking at your Chromebook keyboard, you might have noticed that it doesn't have a caps lock key. Normally, it would be right there. So this key is called the search key. Sometimes it's called the assistant key, but it allows you to search your Chromebook and the internet. So when you click that search key, you can see this window comes up. You can swipe up, you can search all of the apps that are installed on your Chromebook, or you can type into that box and search the web directly. But what if you want to type in all caps? There's a keystroke that will let you do this. Hold down the Alt key and click the search key at the same time, and you'll be able to type in all caps. When you're finished typing in all caps, you can hit that keystroke again, Alt plus the search key, or you can just click that Shift key one time, and then you'll be typing in lowercase. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.